Why, Rosie, why is there a Big Easy turkey fryer camped out in front of your RV? Why, Rosie, why is your dinner being cooked in the back of the Jeep in the hot lodging? Ooh, chicken and rice looking good. Why, Rosie, why is there a trailer full of junk in front of your house? Why, Rosie, why does your garage look such a hot mess? Well, YouTube family, those are all good questions, and I'm about to answer each and every one in this upcoming video. Y'all stay tuned. This is gonna be a good one. All right, YouTube family. A couple of weeks ago, Lady Red and I called in a contractor. We wanted to get some 1980s wallpaper removed from the walls, our entire downstairs. We felt that his bid was a little unrealistic, so we decided to take on that task all on our own. So we started to remove wallpaper. It was going good. We got ourselves one of those little bitty steamers made for steaming clothes. We got from Walmart for about 15 bucks. We put that thing on the wall, and lo and behold, wallpaper started to come off. But as we got wallpaper off, we started to reveal a little deeper problems. We had a little termite damage from a previous termite problem we had. So we decided to call in another contractor to take care of everything, to finish removing wallpaper, to put on the primer, to paint, to fix anything that he found wrong. And that turned into a full-blown renovation. So I'll give y'all a real sneak peek of what's going on in the house. Matter of fact, I won't go in the house. I'll just drop a little bit of footage that I have right here of how we're doing and how we're progressing in the home reno. Whoo! And boy, I'm going to have to give up a firstborn because that is going to be expensive. All right, family. Now, the reason we're in the RV is because the home renovation has gotten so deep, and with paint smells and primer smells and dust, we decided to relocate in the RV. All that dust and stuff wasn't good for me and Lady Red, and it definitely is not good for Fitzgerald. So we'll be in the RV for the next 4 to 6 weeks. Now, that's good in more than one way. That's good for us, for our safety and protection, but it's good for you all because y'all are going to get some interesting content that you wasn't expecting this year. If you remember in the previous video, I mentioned to y'all that Thursdays was going to be self-help Thursdays. And that started out primarily as me doing things like going to the VA, finding out about my military, my retirement or my disability and things of that nature. But with this home project, I thought that would be a good space to drop this content into. And so what we're going to do is each Thursday, we're going to drop in a day or maybe 2 days of progress. If we don't have a lot of content, we'll combine 2 or 3 days, but we'll drop it in and we're going to take y'all along for the trip. Now, the other thing, I know this channel is supposed to be mostly about cooking and utensils and recipes and food reviews and utensil reviews, all that. But there's going to be a lot of cooking going on during this series. If y'all notice, like I said, I have the Big Easy turkey fryer in front of the RV. That's going to provide us some meals. Right now, I have the Hot Logic going full-blown 165 degrees in the back of the Jeep. That's cooking my supper tonight. So that's going to provide some content. My mother-in-law is doing some cooking for us because she knows our kitchen is totally out of commission right now. So some of it's just going to be us sitting around having a nice home-cooked meal in the afternoon provided courtesy of my mother-in-law. But there's going to be some real interesting content coming out of this, believe you me. We had to totally dismantle the whole downstairs. I've got so much seasoning. I've got we found cooking utensils that I forgot I had. As a matter of fact, if y'all look right there, that is a what do you call it? A deep fryer. It's a small deep fryer that should hold, I don't know, 6, 7, 8 wings, maybe 10. That should hold fish. When your boy comes back from fishing, if I want to deep fry some fish, boom. I found that underneath the cabinet. Forgot I even had it. I probably found 4 or 5 utensils. I found one of those sandwich makers. I got rid of one a few months ago. I did a video on it. I found another sandwich maker underneath the cabinet. I found out, like I said, about 3 or 4 components. And before I decide what to do with those, of course we're going to share them on the channel, and we're going to do some cooking with one of those utensils, if not all of them. So it's time. It's the time of year for us to bring back out the Big Easy Turkey Fryer. The Hot Logic never went anywhere. I know I've been doing a lot of stuff with camping with my buddies. That's still going to continue. But family, it's all good. I cannot wait to see how this all comes out with the house and this renovation. It is going to be epic. This house was literally built in the late 1960s, early 70s. And I'm going to show y'all a picture of the wallpaper that we found behind the wallpaper in the kitchen, or behind that backsplash in the kitchen. Now, y'all be prepared to be mesmerized. Is this not the oldest wallpaper you've ever seen, unless you're 70 or 80 years old? I could not believe it when we pulled down that doggone backsplash. All right, family, well, we're going to keep this video real short, real down and dirty, and real simple. I just want to give y'all an update on where we are right now, what we're doing at the Simpson household, and how that was going to affect the channel. And I believe it's going to be all good for all of us. All right, family, y'all take care. Y'all know what to do. Give your boy a thumbs up and be prepared to be getting some awesome home renovation content coming to y'all every Thursday. And if I see it's appropriate to drop it on a Monday or a Wednesday or whenever, y'all will get it when I think it's best that y'all get it. All right, family, y'all take care, and I will catch y'all in the next video. Peace.